everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relatable for all of you eating out versus cooking at home. You know, it's one of those debates that can get pretty heated, right? I mean, we all have our preferences, but there's so much to unpack here. So, how have you been?
Oh, I've been good, thanks. Just, busy with work as usual. How about you?
I'm doing well. Just trying out a few new recipes lately. You know, experimenting in the kitchen can be a lot of fun. Have you done anything exciting lately?
Not too much, just, trying to keep up with everything. Actually, my friends and I are getting together for dinner. Do you want to come with us?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I don't really like eating out.
Oh, so you prefer eating at home, right?
Yes, absolutely. I think it's cheaper and healthier.
Oh, why is that? Like, I get that it's cheaper, but what about the health aspect?
Well, I can cook my favorite dishes with fresh ingredients. Plus, it's just more cost-effective. You know, when you think about it, cooking at home allows you to control what goes into your meals.
But when you eat out, you get to try all sorts of delicious dishes made by professional chefs. I mean, isn't that part of the fun?
That's true, but at home, I can learn to cook the dishes that my family and I love. I can even make dishes from around the world. All the recipes are available online. Eating at home is both nutritious and cheap.
I'm not sure it's much cheaper though. Like, I've heard that eating out can be like a fun experience, right?
Why not? When we eat at home, we do all the preparation, cooking, and serving ourselves, so we don't have to pay for the labor costs of cooks, waiters, and other restaurant staff. Meals at restaurants can cost 2 to 4 times more than home-cooked meals.
But I find that cooking at home is a hassle. You waste a lot of time cooking and cleaning up. Eating out is more convenient since I don't have to do any of that.
I get that, but I think spending time with my family is worth it. Family meal times are perfect for connecting with each other, and after eating, everyone helps clean up. It becomes a shared experience.
That does sound nice. But what about the social aspect of eating out? Meeting friends at a restaurant can be a great way to socialize and relax, right?
True, but I often invite friends over for dinner instead. We can spend quality time together without the noise of a restaurant. It's more intimate, you know?
I like your perspective. Maybe I'll invite you over for a home-cooked meal sometime. That could be fun.
I'd love that. It's always fun to share meals with friends. Plus, you can show off your cooking skills.
Haha, well, I might need a little practice first. But what about the health aspect? I've heard some fast food and food stands are really unhealthy.
Exactly. They often have more oil, salt, and sugar than home-cooked meals. When you eat out, you'll probably eat more than usual, which can lead to obesity.
Wow, I think I should manage my time better to prepare meals. It sounds like there are a lot of benefits to cooking at home.
You definitely should. It's all about finding that balance. And who knows, you might discover a hidden talent for cooking.
That would be interesting. I could become the next cooking sensation.